How to buy WLF project token. So this token came under the symbol of WLF. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before we go on and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMEXC. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your MetaMask wallet for that. Now as you can see from here, I will just log into my wallet first to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, select the Ethereum as a network from here, as you can see, like that. Now click on three dots, click on import tokens, click on custom tokens, and now paste the token that is in the search bar. You will be able to find your token here. Click on next. Now click on import. Now as you can see, you will be able to find your token here called WLF. So after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap. Now switch from here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the Ethereum. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. If you don't see it, click on continue swapping. Wait a few seconds. Now as you can see here, you'll be able to find how much you will be receiving of that token. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy WLF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.